If your classic Kia Sportage won't fire up, don't call the tow truck just yet. The fix is often simpler than you think. Nearly half of all no-start calls for older Sportages are traced back to basic battery or terminal corrosion issues. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find exactly where your electrical signal is getting lost. Before touching anything else, verify your battery health and ensure all ground connections are tight and clean. The main fuel relay and the crankshaft sensor are the two most notorious culprits for a crank but no start condition. If the engine won't even turn over, the neutral safety switch or a blown primary fuse is likely the cause. Most Sportage starting issues are DIY friendly, but internal electrical shorts in the computer may require a professional. As you can see, swapping a relay yourself is incredibly cheap compared to the cost of a full starter replacement. You can verify a bad relay just by feeling for a click when the ignition is turned to the on position. Keep these three tools in your trunk. They will solve 90% of the electrical gremlins in this vehicle. Remember, diagnostics save you money. Don't buy parts until you know exactly what is missing. Check that main relay first, and you'll likely be back on the road in no time. Good luck with your fix.